Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So Madam Glam sent us another package, you guys. This is going to be their January collection, and I'm so excited to share it with you. But before we get into that, can we get into my nails? Okay, it says Happy New Year. I actually use Madam Glam XOXO Nude Gel Polish to do these, and I'm dangling my Capricorn zodiac sign from my nail because you know the year ends and begins in Capricorn, okay? All right, so let's get into the gel polishes. So like I said, this is their January collection. I am so excited about these colors, you guys. So this first one here is called, what is it called? It is Astrological Goddess, and it's so pretty. It's like this kind of looks like a plum purple color to me. It's so pretty, look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. I cannot wait to swatch these. Okay, so this next color is called Royal Card, and this color kind of reminds me of wine, like a really deep wine purple color. It's very pretty. I absolutely love it. It's probably gonna be my favorite out of all of these colors, but I don't know yet. It's too early to tell. I gotta swatch all of them and give them all a chance first. And so next we have Fortune Glam. And speaking of glam, that's actually the name of this January collection. It's called House of Glam, which is super cute. But this color, Fortune Glam, it's showing up it kind of has like a blue tone to it on camera, but it's gray. It is a gray color and it's very pretty. I absolutely love it. It's like maybe a mauve toned gray. And this one is called Oracle. I absolutely love that name. I don't know, like that is so cute to me. Oracle, I like that. So, and this is like a nice light chocolate brown, very pretty. Okay guys, so now it's time to swatch, and I'm gonna start in the order that I showed you guys the color. So first we're gonna go in with the Astrological Goddess, and that was that really nice plum color. And you guys, look at this color, okay? Look at that, one coat, it's not even cured yet. And look how much coverage you get. Look at that. Madam Glam never ever fails me, okay? Like they always come through with that pigment no matter what. So next we have the Royal Card, and this color, you guys, this color is gorgeous. Like this is so pretty that I would just have a set, just a plain set with this color, and that's it. No bling, no nail art, no nothing. Like that's how much I love this color. This is one of those colors that you just like, just that solid color alone is just like, that's just it. That's all you need. And look at that coverage. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So next we have Fortune Glam, and again, this is like a mauve toned gray. I know that on camera, and maybe it's just me, maybe I'm just tripping, I don't know, but I feel like on camera it's showing up with like a blue undertone, but it is gray. It's like a mauve gray. I don't really know how else to explain it other than a mauve gray, but it's really, really pretty. I love it, and I think this would look really nice with silver accents. Actually, I think some silver accent pieces would be really pretty with this color. And next we have Oracle, which was that really nice light chocolate brown. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use it. I think I'm gonna use this to recreate this gingerbread man set that I saw during Christmas on Instagram. There was this really cute gingerbread man set that someone did, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. And this brown kind of reminds me of the color that she used. So definitely make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on all my little nail art tutorial videos, okay? So here are all the colors after I applied a second coat plus shiny top coat. They're so pretty, and Royal Card is definitely my favorite color out of these 4 gel polishes, and that's that wine type of color right there. I love it. You guys definitely have to comment and let me know which color is your favorite. And as always, I'll have everything linked down in the description box below for anyone that's interested. And when you shop on the Madam Glam website, don't forget to use my code. You'll get 30% off if you use Nailholic30_1. Just be sure to check out under the pay as you go option. But that's it for today's video, you guys. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.